Hi friends, my name is Mr. JT, and today I am going to keep my head in the clouds. This week we're continuing to work on our backyard sketchbooks. So get a blanket and some chairs and a number 2 pencil and go get comfortable. This week we're going to be looking towards the sky and using clouds as inspiration for our drawings. Okay, let's go make some friends with some clouds. Remember, we're using clouds as inspiration. You do not have to draw the cloud exactly as it is. Clouds shift and change a lot, so they're notoriously hard to draw perfectly. But use them to inspire dragons, catfish, dancing ladies in the sky, whatever comes to your imagination. I encourage you to stay really loose and don't be too detail-oriented at first. So let's try it together. Okay everybody, so remember, you're going to be drawing really quickly as you look at the shapes of these clouds. You're going to see all kinds of things. Try not to edit as you do this. Just let those hazy shapes kind of take on a life of their own. As you can see, I ended up with a wizard with a bow and arrow, a clown, a laughing, barking dog, kind of a spaceship, a strange giant bug, a sky radish, and then these kind of abstract shapes started coming through. So really, literally, sky's the limit on the things that you can discover. You're probably gonna end up drawing things that you didn't know that you knew how to draw. You know what I mean? In between cloud watching sessions, you can go through and refine the drawings that you already have. Let's work on these for a little bit now. You'll have lots and lots of fun out cloud watching. And please tag the Dixon when you get done drawing. We would love to see what you created. Bye.